Alright, now I bring you the Frigidaire fridge refrigerator. This one's quite a bit newer than the other one. It's in a bit of better shape, but the refrigerant seems to be a bit low. This one's got a lot more stuff in it than the last one too. It only has one bulb, and the output is kind of weird. You can tell it's kind of beat up because when I found the thing down here, it was completely iced over. I had to dig out ice out of there. The fan was stuck. I had to free that up too. Anyways, here's the information. It's a Frigidaire home cam. So this was in WCI Canada. Model type A-38. Model number FRT1ASJGW2. Manufactured in February of 2000. Pulls 4.75 amps. Refrigerant R134A. 5 ounces of it. 300 to 140. So, once again, still good. Good refrigerant. Moisture control. And then the thermostat. Oh yeah, and then there's the thing there. This one's got quite a bit more stuff in it. And this has just got some more specs on it, just more user-based stuff. Not quite as technical, it looks like. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to get this on the video. Way in the back. Also, you get a nice little ice cube tray. But there's a temperature control for the freezer. I have it turned down because it gets too cold if I have it any higher than that. And it'll ice up because it's low on charge, and you'll find that pretty easily. We're gonna fire this thing up, but I'm going to turn the other fridge off first so that we can get a good startup. And I don't know exactly where to put you guys. I think over here. So, let's start it up. This uses a passively cooled condenser, as you can see. And that sound. The fan's still in pretty rough shape on here. Eventually you'll start hearing the noise. I don't know if it'll do it on camera. Yep, there it goes. And yes, this sound does get very annoying. It also scares the living hell out of me sometimes. Because sometimes I don't realize that it's the fridge at first. I'm like, what the hell was that? And then I get in here and I was like, oh, it's just the stinking fridge. It's not a bad fridge, it's just... Listen to that. It's definitely like a refrigerant head pressure thing. Head pressure sound. So the whole icing over thing and that sound really point to a low charge situation there. You know what? You can really hear it down here. I'll let you guys have a listen. So once again, not a terrible fridge. It's better than a lot of the newer stuff. I don't know if you guys watched that Distractable podcast with Markiplier and Lord Minion and Meisker, Bob, Wade, and Mark. If you guys remember the whole Bob's fridge thing, that was pretty funny. And also, apparently Mark's fridge now, fridge is breaking. So I just stick to this stuff. This one I always keep on the recommended thing because it's usually perfectly fine on there. Yeah, that's it. This concludes the whole fridge ordeal. And really not an ordeal, just this concludes the fridge videos for now. I have one more downstairs, but I don't know.